Welcome to an introduction to supervised learning in machine learning. In this video, we'll cover the basics of supervised learning, including what it is, how it works, and its applications. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on labeled data. Labeled data is data that has already been categorized or classified, so the model can learn from it. For example, if we wanted to train a model to recognize images of cats and dogs, we would need a dataset of images with labels indicating whether each image contains a cat or a dog. The goal of supervised learning is to use this labeled data to train the model to make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. In other words, we want the model to learn the underlying patterns and relationships in the data so it can make predictions on its own. Supervised learning algorithms can be categorized into two types, regression and classification. Regression algorithms are used when the target variable is continuous, while classification algorithms are used when the target variable is categorical. Regression algorithms are used to predict a continuous target variable, such as a person's age or the price of a house. These algorithms use the input variables, also known as features, to make the prediction. Classification algorithms are used to predict a categorical target variable, such as whether an email is spam or not. These algorithms also use the input variables to make the prediction, but the output is a category rather than a continuous value. Supervised learning algorithms use a training dataset to learn the underlying patterns and relationships in the data. The algorithm iteratively adjusts its parameters to minimize the difference between the predicted output and the actual output until it reaches an acceptable level of accuracy. Once the algorithm is trained, it can be used to make predictions on new unseen data. The accuracy of the model can be measured using evaluation, metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and phone. Supervised learning has many applications in various industries, such as healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and more. For example, supervised learning algorithms can be used to predict patient outcomes based on medical records, detect fraudulent transactions in banking, and recommend products to customers based on their browsing history. That concludes our introduction to supervised learning in machine learning. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of this important field.